Hi, I'm Andrew with Infinity Cutting Tools. Glass cabinet doors are a great addition to many different projects, from furniture to kitchens. Making these doors has been a bit tricky in the past because it requires the use of a separate glass door kit that gets added to your standard rail and style router bit set. Infinity is proud to introduce their 3-piece glass door making router bit set that does not need any alteration. It allows you to make your glass cabinet door rails and stiles in 3 easy steps, and also a bonus feature of this set is that it creates a 1/4 round glazing strip that holds the glass in place. So if you're making a stained cabinet door or a clear finish cabinet door, this glazing strip is going to be a perfect match. Let's take this set over to the router table and I'll show you how easy it is to use to make glass cabinet doors in your shop. The Infinity 3-piece glass door making router bit set consists of 3 different bits: a rail bit, a stile bit, and a slot cutter. I'll show you what the slot cutter is used for in just a minute. You'll notice that the rail bit and the stile bit are set up to cut each piece in a face down orientation, just like the rail and style cabinet door making sets from Infinity. This makes it very easy to set up, and it also means that any variation in your material's thickness will wind up on the back side of the door. Let's get to work. To make the rail cut, I like to use a ruler against the bearing on the bit to set my fence. And I'm also going to be using an Infinity Pro coping sled to hold my workpiece as I push it through the router bit. To set up my stile bit, I like to use my rail to set the bit's height, and then use my ruler and the bearing on the bit to set my fence. When making my stile cuts in my door frame, I like to use a set of Jessom clear cut stock guides to support my workpiece. You can see on the stile cut that we made the profile for the face of our door, and we have a slot cut in the edge. This is going to define one edge of the rabbet for the glass, but you'll notice that the piece here is rounded over. This is going to create the glazing strip for our glass to hold that piece of glass in place. Now we're going to use our slot cutter to remove this glazing strip and expose our rabbet. To set my slot cutter's height, I want to use my stile and the slot in that stile to set the top of my slot cutter. Then I'll use the bearing to set the fence. With my sample cuts glued up, you can see I have the profile portion for the outside of my door, a rabbet for my glass to fit into, and my glazing piece to hold my glass in place. The Infinity 3-piece glass door making router bit sets are available in 6 different profiles to perfectly match the Infinity rail and style router bit sets for panel doors. These are a great addition to your router bit collection for making glass doors to add to your next cabinet making project. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our blog for more great information on the tools we use and the projects we make here in the Infinity Tools shop. Also, check out our Facebook page and give us a like to stay up to date on what's happening here at Infinity.